How to buy Federal Agency for Financial Oversight token. Now this token came under the symbol of FAFO. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 1 hour ago. It's very new token and increased by 9,000% in less than 4 hours. This token, it's also trending #1 on the Ethereum section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your BitKit wallet. For that, as you can see, click on your wallet. Now select the Ethereum as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see from the very start, you will be able to see this plus icon. Click on it. Now go back to your wallet to find your token that you just added called FAFO. Now after you find it, as you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, ECT, and make sure that you have enough ECT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy FAFO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.